Are you tired of not
Finding real hands-on tips on actually how to stay healthy, or a step-by-step action plan to show you how to prime yourself on a daily basis? You're not alone. I felt the same thing. That's why I researched this extensively and I found 5 easy and quick techniques what helps you very fast and they work very effectively. If you do these techniques every single day, they will work wonder for you. And the best thing is they are free, easy to do, no matter where you are. Technique number 1 is belly breathing. We all know how important is oxygen intake for our body and mind health. If you learn how to breathe from your belly, you actually increase your oxygen intake to 160%. Just imagine how much more your body and mind can do with it every single day. There are 4 more great techniques I put together in an article. Click the link below to find out what are those. And I wish you happy living.